Good morning, brilliant K3B students. How are you doing? How are you today? Okay, today is, what's the day today? Today is Wednesday. We are going to study math. Are you ready to study math? Do you still remember the last lesson that you had learned? Okay, so I hope that you already had dropped your homework. Okay, so today's lesson I'm going to teach you other transportations, okay, other transportations and some vocabularies to use for your task number 1, 2, and 3. Alright, so I will also introduce to you how to count by 5. So you have to listen very well, okay? So in here, here are some of the transportation. So have you seen train? Maybe you already know what is train. Maybe you can watch movies about train, helicopters, airplane, and lorry. Okay? So this is a train. Train is a very long transportation. Okay, train can carry hundreds of passengers. So this is a train. This is helicopters, okay? So helicopters is not so big, okay? So helicopters can occupy maybe 6 passengers. Alright, helicopter. So this is one, but in your activity there are a lot of helicopters. Aeroplane or airplane, okay? If you go to other countries, you can ride airplane, okay? Aeroplane or airplane. This is a bigger than helicopter. And this one is lorry. Lorry is small truck, okay? Lorry. Okay, so these are some of the vocabulary. Sit. So the word sit, so the boy is sitting on the chair. Sitting. The boy is sitting or sit down on the chair. Standing, I am standing, okay? You can stand. Standing. Sitting, standing, sitting opposite. So there are I am sitting here, and the other of my opposites also sitting there, okay? So sitting opposite. All together means the whole people in the group, okay? In the place. All together. Group. So I group this by 5. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3. So there are 3 groups here by 5. Row 1. There are 6 triangles in row 1. Row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. Okay, one more time. Vocabulary. Sitting, standing, sitting opposite, all together, group, row. Train, helicopter, airplane, lorry. Okay, so counting by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay, so counting by 5. Let's practice this. Okay, counting by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay, one more time. And I will ask you to copy this and count by yourself. Alright? Counting by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay? Alright, so kindly count by yourself. I will give you 10 minutes to copy at the same time, and or after copying, you're going to read. I will ask you to read one by one, okay? So please copy this in your notebook, and after 10 minutes, I will call you to read or count, alright? So see you after 10 minutes. Okay, you're excellent. You know how to read counting in fives, okay? Alright, so on this video, I'm going to introduce to you your activities. There are 3 activities here, so you have to listen carefully. Alright, for the task number 1, look at your book. Open your book at page 38. Okay, page 38. You can see people here. There are a lot of people inside the train. They are riding train. They are riding a train, okay? Or MRT or whatsoever. Alright, you can see people who are sitting, okay? They are sitting, they are standing, they are sitting opposite. Sitting, standing, sitting opposite. Alright? So in here, you are going to count these people. Question number 1, how many people sitting opposite Mala? This is Mala. Opposite, this is Mala. Opposite, these are the people who are opposite Mala. Okay? You're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 people sitting opposite Mala. Mala. This is Mala. These are the people opposite Mala. Okay, so how many people? There are 5 people sitting opposite Mala. Okay, you can write here 5. Alright, question number 2. There are how many people who are standing? Okay, there are a lot of people who are standing inside the train. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 people standing. People standing, okay? So, count. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to write 4. Alright, number 3. Question number 3. How many people sitting opposite Mr. Lim? This is Mala. This is Mr. Lim, okay? So, Mr. Lim, these are the people opposite of Mr. Lin. Opposite, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 people sitting opposite Mr. Lim. Okay? So you can write here 4, you can write here 5. Okay? So it's not easy to answer this, but I already done or answered for you. Then last question, how many people altogether? How many people altogether? You're going to count all the people here, okay? Then write number 4. Please answer number 4, okay? What you're going to do is count all the people who are riding inside the train. Then write number 4. Okay, so that is task number 1. For the task number 2 at page 39, I told you that's the reason why I asked you to practice how to count in 5. Okay? So the instructions here, you're going to count in 5. Circle each group of 5. Okay? So color each group by using different colors. So it means that you're going to circle each group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Going to circle here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. no, do not circle if you don't count the number of helicopter, okay? So, count by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to circle. And after you circle this, you're going to color all the helicopters. Okay? For example, in group 1, you're going to color red. Group 2, you're going to color yellow. Group 3, you're going to color blue. And group 4, you're going to color green. Okay? So you're going to color these pictures. And after that, you're going to answer the questions below. So there are helicopters in each group. How many helicopters in each group? How many are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You write number 5 here. Okay? There are helicopters altogether. You're going to count all the helicopters here. Okay? So how many helicopters are here? You're going to write the answer inside the box. Okay? So please do it by yourself. For the task number 3, these are row. Row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. Okay? So in this row, this is row 1. A, B, C, D, E. Row 1. This is inside the plane. They are sitting inside the plane or inside the airplane. Okay? So row 1, how many people are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's no people at letter E, okay? Row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. Again, row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. Okay, this picture shows the seats in an airplane. Look at it and fill in the box, okay? So you're going to answer, there are how many rows? Row 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 rows, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 rows. Each row has seats. How many seats in each row? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you are going to answer, each row has 5 seats. Okay, so there are 5 seats. And all together, you're going to count the seat all together. Means all. You're going to count all the seats. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there are 20 seats. You're going to write number 20. Okay? Alright. So again, please answer by yourself. Okay? If you don't know the answer, please watch and listen video clip number 2 again. Okay? Please practice counting in 5. Alright? So these are your tasks. So please color the helicopters, and also you have to circle the helicopters in 5, and please practice counting all together. All together means all, okay? Alright, so I will give you 20 minutes to finish, and after that I'm going to drop your homework, okay? Okay kids, thank you for your cooperation, and listen for your homework, okay? You're going to drop this before the time next Wednesday. Okay, so this is your homework. Copy and write the missing numbers. You're going to copy the numbers here and write the missing numbers. Okay, you're going to use your notebook. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay, and then you need to practice by yourself. Alright, so we had already finished counting in twos. Now we are counting in 5. Then I believe that you will be more excellent if you practice counting by yourself. Okay, please answer this by yourself and please drop it on drop next Wednesday. Okay, good luck and thank you for your cooperation. See you tomorrow for your science subject. Bye bye.